So that is all of the essential oils that are covered in the Oils Premium Starter Kit. And that is the starter kit at the very bottom of that graphic that I have on the screen now. So there's a lot of options to get you started. The Premium Oil Starter Kit comes with the 12 bottles of oils that we've talked about in this series, a diffuser, 2 packs of Ningxia Red, which is just delicious, Thieves Spray, and 2 Aroma Glide tops to turn your bottles into instant roll-ons, and some Thieves hand sanitizer. And this hand sanitizer is going to kill 99.9% of germs, so pretty incredible. So this is a heck of a deal. If you bought all of these oils individually, you would be paying a lot of money. So that Premium Starter Kit is going to save you quite a bit of chunk of change. So also now until the end of January, so that's January 31st, 2020, Young Living is shipping all Premium Starter Kits for free. So that's going to help you save some money if you're ready to jump into the world of oils. Let us know. We're happy to help you get started, and we might even have another little special offer for you of our own. So before I let you go, I want to get real with you for a moment and tell you why I believe the chemical-free lifestyle and natural living is so important, and why I think you should get started today with a Premium Starter Kit. That's because I've seen the other end of the chemical-filled lifestyle, and I want everyone to know what they are putting on their bodies and in their homes. The number 2 cause of death in the United States is cancer. 1 in 3 men will have cancer after the age of 60, and 1 in 5 women. The American Cancer Society says only 5 to 10% of all cancers are caused from genes. This means 95% of cancer causes are under our control. It's what we allow into our homes. You can control what you allow within the walls of your home. Trust me, I've been there. I've been overwhelmed with information and not quite sure how to take on the chemical-free lifestyle. But it's easy to do one day at a time by taking out one chemical out of your home at a time. We really started going from room to room to help break that process up. So no matter what, we'll be there to guide you along the way. We believe in you and know that you can do this. It's about taking a small step and saying, I will not allow these products in my home. Now, I know you can't control all the places you're exposed to. It's just like when you run into secondhand smoke. Does that make anyone else irritated? But you are the gatekeeper of your home. So come learn alongside our incredible team. Let us guide you through the process with simple, easy steps to make sure that you are allowing the best products into your home. So the first step is getting one of those Premium Starter Kits like we have on the screen now. We have quite a few options these days. The Ningxia Starter Kit, the Thieves Cleaner, CBD just dropped this weekend, Savvy Minerals, and the Oil Starter Kit. So you're definitely going to want to grab one of these. We have our enrollment links listed, but definitely message us so we can help you walk through this process. This is something that we feel everyone needs to take seriously because no one is watching your home like you are. You're the gatekeeper. So you might be wondering what to do until your kit arrives. Start small and start slow. Let me give you a simple tip. Look at your food. Start reading the ingredients. If you can't pronounce it, don't eat it. It doesn't mean you can't have ice cream. Just the ice cream with milk, sugar, eggs, and vanilla instead of the ingredients list with 35 items that you can't pronounce. And that is the same for your cleaning products and for your body wash and the other things that you have gotten used to using in your home. Some of the biggest offenders are laundry soap, dishwasher soap, cleaning supplies, candles, and plug-ins. Toss out those candles and plug-ins. Swap them out with a diffuser and pure essential oils. Young Living even has the Thieves Cleaner line, like we mentioned before, that has laundry soap and dish soap. It's all affordable and simple to use. I'm so thankful that I started my Young Living journey and that we haven't looked back, and that it has allowed us to overcome so much. And we can't wait for you to feel the same way. Thank you for joining us on this series, and we look forward to talking with you further.